In this video, we'll go through the students page and see how to add, edit and manage students or candidates on your EZexam portal. In the students page, student accounts are shown in this table with their names, student IDs and any tags associated with them, with the total numbers shown here. Student IDs are unique to each student and can contain up to 15 numbers or letters. They are used by students to log into their accounts on the same portal to take exams and view their past exam analytics like scores, ranks, etc. Students can also log in with their phone or email. Tags can be any information associated with the student like class, group, or location. You can search or filter for any student by their name, by their student ID, and their student tags. For example, to only select students of class 10, remove Select All and click on class 10 to see those students. Students who sign up with exam links will be automatically added here, so it's not mandatory for you to add students for them to take exams. You can add a student by entering the name, a unique student ID, and selecting at least one student tag. To add your own student tag, scroll to the bottom and click this button here, or can add them directly in the settings page. Student phone and email are optional, though they can be used by the student to recover their password if forgotten. If a password is not set here, then the student ID is set as the default password. The added student is visible here in the table. A new account is created, which the student will access at your portal, and if an email address were entered, an email is sent to the student with login details. Many students can also be added at once using an Excel file. Download the sample file here and open it using Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets as shown here. Just drag and drop the downloaded file into the Upload tab here, and once the upload is complete, it will automatically appear in the Google Sheet here. So in this file, only the student name is required and everything else is optional. So if you wanted, you could just enter a list of your students in one column and you can leave the rest of it blank. Going through the columns, first you have your student names. Here student IDs are entered, and if blank, a 4-digit student ID is automatically assigned to the students. Student tags are entered here. They could be groups or classes or subjects, and each student can have more than one tag separated by commas as shown. A 10-digit phone number is entered here, which is used for OTPs to log in and recover forgotten passwords. If email addresses are entered, invitation emails will be sent to these students with your portal address and their account login details. Students can log in with either their student IDs, with their phone numbers, or email addresses if provided. You can refer to the descriptions here for more details. Please note that EZexam enforces strict privacy and confidentiality, and only you have access to your student data. It is not shared or accessible by any third parties, and we even provide non-disclosure agreements. Once you are done adding the students, you can go ahead and download this file as an Excel and save it to your local. After the Excel file is downloaded, you can come back to the students page and click here to select it. Then click Upload to add these students. The students have now been added and can be seen here. Any student can be edited by clicking on the student name and then updating their details or even resetting their passwords. Students can also be deleted. They will not be able to log in and their exam data will be removed. An OTP will be sent to the email address of the admin, and upon entering that OTP, the students will be removed from the database. Can also download an Excel file with all student data or only a group of students by filtering the table and using this button here. Thanks for watching.